Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweet Peas. So today for you, I have a new video and it's actually kind of the start of a new series. Basically, I'm going to start doing red carpet nails. So anytime there's a red carpet event and I see some really neat fashion that could inspire nails, I'm going to turn that into a fun video for you. So today, as you can already guess, that is what this video is. I have taken a dress that I saw from the Brit Awards, worn by Pixie Lott, and turned it into a fun manicure. So now let's take a look at how you guys can create this exact look to match your dress. First up, I have started by applying my base coat of choice. Today I used a peel-off base, and after that is dry, I am doing this currently, what you are seeing, and that is applying one thin coat of Zoya's Vicky, which is like a sheer jelly purpley grayish color. It was from the Kisses collection, and I will have that linked up in the cards if you guys want to check out that polish's review because it is a really fun polish. And I'm going to put that on all my nails, just one coat, because I want it to be sheer for the final look. We want to be able to see through to kind of act as the peephole in the middle of the dress. So that is what we're going to do. We're going to let that dry and then we'll move on to the next step. Now to create some guidelines for the rest of the manicure, I'm going to go in and kind of go halfway to halfway and put a silver line the top at the bottom, as you can see, kind of just to section off the middle of my nail for the sheer part that we're going to be doing later. I, for this, just used silver acrylic paint. It doesn't really matter what color you use. You want it to be light because of what you're going to be doing around it and such. So if you have a silver acrylic paint, this is great to use right here. And after that, what I'm going to do is go in and paint lines connecting the two horizontal lines. Now this is where we're going to be putting dots later, so your lines do not have to be perfect. They're basically your guidelines. And as you can see, I've already done that on a few of the nails, and now I'm just showing it to you on the last few. I start with one in the middle and do two on each side, basically, for this size of nail, but depending on your size of nail, you can vary it to whatever you may feel comfortable with. And just keep in mind that you do want some space in between because they're going to have dots on top of them. And now we are moving on to the dotting stage. For this, I'm using my second to smallest dotting tool, and I am dotting on 3 dots on each line using Color Club's Harp on it, which is just a holographic silver polish, so any holographic silver polish will work. Or you could even use like a glitter polish if you wanted, but I thought this would give a cool sequence appeal, kind of like what you might see on her dress. Now, next up for this part, I'm going to be filling in the tip and the cuticle space or the moon space with purple. For this purple, I am using Zoya's Abby, which is a lovely purple cream that I reviewed from the Bridal Bliss collection. So that will be in the cards if you want to check that one out too. And I'm just filling it in with the actual brush. You could use a dotting tool, which is what I will do later on because of brushes being kind of awkward in certain spots of your nail. But for the tip, I found that it was easy enough to use just the brush on the bottle itself. Here is where I'm going to go ahead and go in with a large dotting tool and kind of finish it up that way. If you touch your silver line, you don't have to worry about it. We're going to go in and reinforce that silver line by going over it again and cleaning up all of our lines just to make it look a little bit more precise. And here's the part where I'm going back in with that small brush and the silver acrylic paint just to straighten up my lines, clean everything up, make it sharp looking, and that's it for this bit. That's all you have to do, and it will really help fix the manicure, bring it all together, and make it all look cohesive and more like the dress. And now it is time for you to apply your choice of top coat. Here I went for a shiny one, but matte would look just as nice. Now let's take a look at the final manicure. And here is a look at the dress worn by Pixie Lott that inspired this manicure. As some of you may already know, I did some polls on Instagram over the last few days about different dresses that were from the Brits red carpet, and I do plan on doing a few more looks inspired by some of the dresses that I mentioned to you guys. So be on the lookout for that. That video should be coming very soon in the next few days, so I'm pretty excited about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more videos like this where we're kind of like doing some fashion and inspired nails, be sure to let me know in the comments below and I will try to do that. And I think that is it. Be sure to subscribe so you are updated on all of the latest things, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!